Bitcoin is going to bounce, in my opinion, in the next coming hours and days. I'm going to reveal you exactly why that is, guys. And also we're going to have a quick look into the Nvidia stock. So welcome everyone on board. Here is Crypto Underground. I'm here to update you every day, whatever is going on in the crypto space. So welcome everyone on board. Make sure to be subscribed on our channel. And of course, also check out all links in the video description, for example, to all exchanges that I'm using, because everywhere you get the maximum sign up bonus, like here on Maxi Global, for example, where you can trade all cryptos that you want. I also have, of course, Bybit, KC, Exchange, and so on that I'm using. So sign up to all exchanges, guys, because everywhere you can get the maximum sign up bonus. And also when it comes to new cryptos, guys, I'm investing always into the newest hyped upcoming cryptos. We have some of them that are coming out in the next coming days and weeks. One of them is Best Wallet. Then we have also Bitcoin Hyper, Base Perp, and Hypersui, which are, of course, the next competitors to Hyperliquid and also Aster. So if you're looking out for the next big DEX launches, then keep an eye on those. And of course, we can join right now the early access phase by buying cheap before the big release of the token. Also here on Hypersui, for example, we can buy in at half of a cent. The listing price will be 9 cents. So if you want to get on board into those new crypto projects, those new hyped DEXs, especially Base Perp, that is the new one on Base, which is from Coinbase, of course, then check them out with the links in the video description, guys, to join the pre-sale phase. And also for Bitcoin Hyper, we have a new record, 28 millions raised, over 400 new buyers has joined in the last 24 hours. So this one is going viral, this new Bitcoin Hyper, which is basically this layer 2 on top of Bitcoin that will come out in the next coming weeks and months. This new Solana driven layer 2 on top of Bitcoin, currently the most anticipated new crypto that everyone is jumping on board. So the release will be next year. That's why be prepared, jump in right now, guys, stake it, because like that you also get some nice passive income basically here in form of those tokens. And then at the same time you accumulate more tokens before the big launch of Bitcoin Hyper, that is also linked here in the video description. We're gonna dive here straight into Bitcoin, guys. We're gonna have a quick look first into Nvidia and why I believe that Nvidia has the chance to pump also the crypto market right now. So make sure to be subscribed, you guys, and remember, everything is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just sharing in this video all my opinions, my own market analysis about the crypto market, stock market, and of course I'm sharing all my price predictions and so on. So nothing is a financial advice. Always do your own research. So on the daily time frame for Bitcoin, it looks like that we're forming here a nice bottoming pattern here, right at around $91,000. Bitcoin is holding nicely here this support, and at the same time in the traditional markets is going on something very interesting, and this is Nvidia, which yesterday brought out their revenue results and they beat the expectations. And this is exactly what everyone wanted to see, that the AI sector is not in a bubble, that the AI sector, the stock market, is not topping out right now. And that of course opens up the gate now for much more upside for the stock market and also at the same time for the crypto market. So I think that the Nvidia stock has now the potential to even go towards new all-time highs and have a big breakout. But even if we just gonna see the stock market rally in the next coming days and weeks, this of course could also be in benefit for the whole crypto market. And therefore, of course, we're gonna return now into the Bitcoin chart. I'm focusing here into Bitcoin, and wherever Bitcoin is going, of course, the altcoins will be following. And for Bitcoin, the most important target that we have right now, if we get into a relief rally right now, is all the way here at the 200 daily moving average, because this is where usually those rallies are ending up if we are basically at the beginning of a bear market, that we could top out here at around 110K before we come down again. Or of course, if we are still in a bull run, we break above and then of course push on towards the next major resistance levels, because in front of us, we would have a lot of resistance levels in order to create then also new all-time highs for Bitcoin. But this here, the 200 daily moving average, basically to retest the death cross here at around 110K, in my opinion, is the target for a relief rally. And of course, also if we're going to see the stock market now continues to pump. So Bitcoin right now, in my opinion, is about to bounce very heavily. I'm taking along, I'm buying more right now, and of course I'm buying also into new cryptos as always, guys. And therefore, of course, it's always important to watch out what kind of new cryptos that are trending right now. So I believe that based on the indicators, we have the chance right now to see a very, very big bounce. Even on the weekly time frame, we are coming to a very crucial support level here. So I think at least a relief rally or at least a nice bounce to retest here the breakout of this rising wedge is of course very likely before we eventually will roll over and enter into a bear market, or if we get here of course the continuation of our bull run. Because of course, if we're breaking certain resistance levels, like here 115K, or even better here $130,000, not only we're going to create new all-time highs and we're going to continue with those higher highs, but also we have the chance then to go parabolic to the upside for Bitcoin and of course for the altcoins if that happens. Of course, time-wise, it would make sense that we enter now into a bear market, but at least a relief rally is incoming, guys. And that's why be subscribed, because I'm going to keep you updated wherever Bitcoin is going right now, if we have confirmation of a bear market or if we have confirmation that the bull run continues and that the low is in and that we're going to see something similar like the last times that we came down to this important support level here on the weekly and we had a massive rally into new all-time highs. So we're gonna see that, guys. Time will tell. Meanwhile, of course, I'm focusing into Bitcoin trading, into altcoins trading like BNB, Ethereum, Solana. Solana also pumping nicely today. Also here, I'm expecting a big, nice run up towards the $200 area. Once Bitcoin is also starting a relief rally, everything depends now from Bitcoin, guys. Only the new coins, only those new coins are currently doing their own things. So those new coins are doing like their own thing that are coming out next, like Maxi Doge, Bitcoin Hyper, Pepe Note, Best Wallet that is launching in less than 10 days and so on. So check them out, because currently I'm buying heavily into new cryptos. And you can also see based on the trend, even here on Base Perp, this new DEX that is upcoming on Coinbase. You can see that also this one got now verified by Consult, and also the number of people are increasing rapidly here. So every day you see a big increase in active members. So a lot of people are currently jumping on board into those new DEXs, because those are the next ones after Ether, Hyperliquid and so on. So currently I'm not buying anymore into the old ones that already had the big pump, already had the big inflow in money. I'm buying into those new low market cap coins and DEXs that are upcoming, like this one, Hypersui, and also Base Perp. After DEX, Hyperliquid, Avant, and also Ether, I'm currently buying into those. Hypersui is the next one, and then of course also Base Perp that are upcoming. So I think that they have the greatest upside potential here. Those are my 100x picks that I have right now, and of course also many other altcoins like meme coins, layer 2s like Bitcoin Hyper, and so on. You can check them out, guys, with the links in the video description. Don't miss out on them, because very often those coins are doing their own thing. Doesn't matter if we are in a bull market or bear market, those coins usually are pumping at launch, especially when they're getting listed on exchanges. So don't miss out on the big launches of those coins, guys. Links all in the video description. I salute you for now. Stay tuned, be subscribed, guys, and of course I keep you updated whatever is going on next here in the crypto space. Crypto Underground over for now.